Water is one of the essential for all living species on the earth. In this video, I am going to talk about a simple method to conserve water in homes. Myself, Shahana Sheikh, studying grade 7 at Evans School of Excellence, Nagarkoil, Tamil Nadu. To conserve the natural resources and to protect our environment, United Nations has set up Sustainable Development Goals. SDG 6 aims at providing fresh water and proper sanitation. Though SDG 6 directly target water, there are other goals which also gives importance to water. Let's have a look at some facts and figures. We all know that 2/3 of the Earth's surface are covered by water, but only 3% of water is drinkable. Again, in which only 0.5% is accessible and the remaining 2.5% is frozen at Antarctic and Arctic. Humankind is the only species which causes serious damage to the water system as like it does to the other natural resources and environment. Statistics reveal that there are more than 1 billion people who still don't have access to fresh water. The UN report says that by 2030, nearly 700 million people could displace due to water scarcity. It's high time to think about the alternatives to conserve the water resources. If we don't show mercy to the environment, nature will never show mercy to us. We must stop polluting the water. We should save water in all possible ways and reuse the water whenever possible and wherever applicable. Water usage. An average of 20 liters of drinking water is required for a 4-member family to fulfill the daily water needs for drinking and cooking purposes. RO water filter has become a common and essential appliance in homes. In most cases, say 99%, the drain line of RO purifier is channeled into kitchen sink or wash basin. Have you ever checked the quantity of water going out through the drain pipe in the water filter during the purification process? Do you know the proportion between the filtered water and drain water in RO filters? Let's see few more numbers. From every 10 liters of water supplied to the purifier, we get only 3 liters of purified water approximately, and the rest is drained out as waste. So to produce 20 liters of drinking water in a day, nearly 70 liters of water is wasted in a day. Now imagine how many liters of water is drained in a month. Reutilization of water is one of the possible solutions to reduce water scarcity. Here I am going to explain reutilization of drain water from residential RO water filter. Some of the possible ways to reuse the RO drain water are cleaning utensils in the kitchen. See this picture. The drain water is collected in a water can to use it for washing purpose in the kitchen. It can be used for car washing. Pre-rinsing of clothes. Here, the drain water collector is placed just above the washing machine so that the water can be directly tapped into the washing machine. The RO drain water can be potentially used for watering the plants. The other options in front of us are floor mopping and toilet flushing. It's important to know the TDS level and sodium content in the drain water of RO purifier. Conduct trial runs and find suitable application. For example, water with higher sodium levels may not be suitable for mopping purpose. Now I will show you what we have done in our home to reuse the RO drain water. We have brought a waste refrigerator box from scrapyard. The drain line of RO filter is tapped into it. See this fridge box, it costs nothing. We have fishes in it. They grow and breed well. Mostly it overflows. So we made another setup to collect the water with old plastic bowl. We are using this water mainly for our garden. Reutilization of RO water doesn't help only to save water. It helps to reduce your electricity bill. But how? Since we reuse nearly 75 liters of water a day, we pump less water from the well or borewell to overhead tank. So the pump motor operation time will reduce. Thus electricity consumption will be reduced. In the long run, it lowers the electricity bill. It doesn't stop here. When consumption is less, generation also will be less. When generation is less, CO2 emission will be also reduced. Also, we can conserve groundwater. See how a small good deed leads to global goals of water conservation and reduction of CO2 emission.
Let us just put our hands together to save water, save energy, and save the earth. Spread the good and stay blessed. Thank you.